Hello, welcome to this video on starting a new project on Factory Talk View Studio using the Machine Edition. So once you've gotten to that portion and you select the new program that you're going to create, I'm going to call this one test_3. Okay, and for our purpose, we are using a compact screen. So we're using a panel view plus 600. So you should select the Compact Machine Edition application and hit Create. Once you have created the project, the next thing you're going to want to do is go to Project Settings. And in the project settings, we're just going to want to double check that and make sure that we are on the 4/600 size for our panel. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is set up a shortcut so that when we're building our screen, okay, so you go to RS Links Enterprise, click on the communication setup, and select Create New Configuration. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create a shortcut link that's going to access our PLC program's tag names. So here is shortcut _1. All right, now we're going to tell that shortcut that we're actually sending our information to our controller. And we're going to use the correct program that we saved in the last video so that our tag names line up with the program. And then we also want to copy this information. So this is the design local and then also the runtime target. So we're going to copy from design to runtime all that information we just put in there. And just hit OK. I'm going to say yes. All right, and then I'm going to jump over to a project that I already have built out a little bit. Okay, so once we begin to build our projects, and I'll show you that in another video, building a screen, in the valve screen, you're going to see that once you click on a button, the connections that you need to make will be done through that tag that you created, or through that shortcut that you created. Okay, so we would see our tag name here, shortcut _2, and then we would go into the offline folder, into the main program, and then use whatever tag is appropriate for that button. So for example, here, I use the station tank or solenoid to next. So I would select toggle 01, okay, toggle 01 in our RS Logix program will be used to control solenoid to tank, or solenoid to tank. Sorry, I misspoke in that last bit. All right, so just keep that in mind. Like I said, you should have made some notes on that. And then once you do that, you hit OK. All right, and like I said, I'll show you a little bit more about that in the building a screen video. All right, so this video is just for creating a new project and creating that shortcut. And then the next short video, you'll see how to actually build different screens. Thank you.